kind of the last thing that we're going to work on for this section, for this bakery postcard thing. Illustrator also has effects similar to what Photoshop has. If you go up to, so select your bakery text and then go up to effect, which is on that very top menu, and you'll see there's two main sections here. There's Illustrator Effects at the top and then Photoshop Effects. So the Photoshop effects are the ones, they'll look very similar to the ones that you can get in Photoshop that you're already familiar with. But not everything you want to do is going to be in there. And so up at the top in Illustrator Effects, we are going to go to Stylize and then Drop Shadow. And so that's kind of a large drop shadow on this. But we're going to leave it on multiply mode. You can change the opacity to whatever you want. I'm going to set mine at 10. And you can change it with the little arrows, or you can just type in the amount that you want. So then the way Illustrator handles this, because vectors are more mathematical than raster type images, the X and Y is just still kind of how far off, right? So it's on the X axis, which is horizontal, right? No, vertical, and Y is horizontal. And so as you change these, you'll be able to see that shadow just changing slightly. So actually I might change this back up, make it a little bit darker so you can see what's going on. So I can, as I click on these buttons, and you'll get the feel for it the more you use this, and then Y is up and down, right? Okay. But we don't want that solid. We're going to do a 10% opacity on there. And then you can do the offset. We'll just do 0.02 on both of those to just make it a slight drop shadow, just a little bit. And then we can change the blur. We'll just do it at 0. It's close to 0 right now. We'll do 0. All right. So now it's kind of a harder edged shadow, but now you can kind of see it on there. Okay, and you can change the color if you would like it to be more of a brownish color. You can do that, or even a weird color. And then you just do OK, and there you go. There you have it. And then when you look in your properties panel, see if you can kind of see those in here. It doesn't really show those as much. It does. It has the little effects here. You can add them and take them away there. So that's kind of handy. Yep. If you click on the FX button, you can see you've got some options here. So it has the Illustrator effects up here and then the Photoshop effects at the bottom. So that's how you do a drop shadow. And it doesn't look anything alike, but that's okay because we had fun drawing it. All right, so that's effects.